Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today we are taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping creations ever built on wheels. This is the all-new 2026 Volvo FH Motorhome, and believe me, it costs more than a mansion. But wait until you see inside, because what it offers will leave you stunned. From the outside, the Volvo FH keeps its legendary truck DNA. Bold, powerful, and futuristic in design. But the moment you step inside, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury residence on wheels. Let's start with the living room. This space is like walking into a high-end penthouse lounge. Plush leather seating, a massive 4K smart TV, soft ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. It's designed for pure comfort, whether you're on the move or parked by a breathtaking view. Move further in and you're greeted by the kitchen. And trust me, this is no ordinary kitchen. Sleek countertops, a full-size refrigerator, modern oven, induction cooktop, and even a wine cooler. It's built to rival what you'd find in any luxury home, giving you the freedom to cook a full meal while traveling the open road. Now let's step into the bedroom. This is where the Volvo FH Motorhome truly feels like a mansion. A king-size bed with premium bedding, ambient mood lighting, and a smart control system that lets you adjust everything from temperature to blinds with a single touch. Imagine lying here after a long day's drive, surrounded by pure comfort and quiet elegance. And of course, no luxury motorhome is complete without a bathroom that feels like a spa. The bathroom here is fitted with a rainfall shower, elegant marble-styled finishes, heated floors, and storage that feels endless. It's private, classy, and exactly what you'd expect in a multi-million-dollar home, except this one moves with you. Every inch of the Volvo FH Motorhome has been designed with one purpose: to give you the lifestyle of the rich and powerful, but with the freedom of the open road. It's not just transport, it's a mansion on wheels, a statement of luxury, and a glimpse into the future of travel. So, what do you think? Would you trade a traditional home for this rolling palace?